Hi, in this video we will solve this problem which is on Strata Scratch. So topic is finding user purchase and this question is asked from Amazon. So question is write a query that will identify return active users. Active user is a user that has made a second purchase within a 7 days of any other their purchases. Output a list of user ID of their returning active users. So if I can say there are two conditions. Active user should be returned within the 7 days and their purchase should be different. It means if I bought today a pen from a mall, so yeah, tomorrow I should buy a book or anything else. First of all, we will preview the table. Here the ID, user ID, item created at and revenue. Question asked to user ID. So I will show user ID here. Need those kind of repeating customers which is following these kind of conditions. Okay. So from this table, now I have only one condition. I can do a join or anything else. So let's do a self join here. So I will give this table a name A. I will write join here and I will give this table alias B. User ID, which is question asked, I have to show user ID. That's why I'm getting those kind of values which is equivalent on to both the table. So B dot user ID. Now I have one condition. The active user should buy any other purchase. So I will use here any other purchase which is not equivalent.
यही तो जुर्म है ना मेरा।
Here's the ID meaning the product which we bought. So ID it shouldn't equal to the another table ID. So I will use A dot ID. I'm sorry. A dot ID equal to B dot ID. Now one more condition is there. There's a date column you can see. So if I bought something on day 3, so it will not count on the same day. It will count on the different day. So it should be greater than on the tomorrow table.
समझ रहे हो?
So I will write here. I will use and. I will use here and to created at from which table? From A table which I bought today. On this date a pen. So and on the same day if I bought something else like a mouse or a computer, so it will not count. It should be greater than this date. Created at should be greater than B dot created at. Now all the conditions are fulfilled and I have to fetch all the dates because in this now in this table the date is given but days are not given. So I will fetch days from this table. I will do where I will use date diff. Here date diff. So date diff help me to fetch all the days in the particular date. It at this is our first date and B dot created at this is our second date. Okay, it should be less than and equal to 7. So this is my condition. Now I'm running the code.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।